Say hi, Lily. Say hello. Hi. Hello. Hi, pretty girl. Yeah. Lily is 5 weeks and 1 day old, and she's wearing Mommy's dress from when Mommy was her age. Say hello, and there's Sophie, her giraffe. Say hi, Lily. Hello.
Hey, princess.
Say bye-bye.